Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate team. This is Kevin Belzer. We are back again in Mesa. Kevin, where are we at?
We are at 729 East Harmony Avenue in Mesa, Arizona.
Before heading to the house, we wanted to share with you the location itself. So Kevin, great location for the house. Where are we at?
We are at Sherwood Park, which is walking distance from the house.
Perfect. And this park is huge. There's green belts, Ramadas, play sets. What else is there?
Well, let's not forget the slides and the swings.
And the barbecuing. So the park again is within walking distance. Another part about the location itself is the highways and the shopping.
Yeah, you're real close to getting on and off the 60, as well as the shopping, like you said, anything you want, from the grocery stores to the restaurants.
Location, location, and location. So we have one more stop to show you. Kevin, should we tell them before we go?
No.
All right. Welcome to our last location. Kevin, where are we at?
We are at Lenny's Burgers.
What's so special about Lenny's, Kevin?
Well, it's been around since the 80s, and it's just good old-fashioned burgers, fries, and milkshakes.
Best part, it's within a mile of the house itself, but plenty about the history. Let's go take a bite.
Yeah, let's eat.
All right, Kevin, is it true these have no calories?
Absolutely. We could eat a bunch of these.
Love it. Wow. All right, before heading inside this house in Mesa, let's talk about curb appeal. Kevin?
Well, we got the lush green yard, shade tree we're standing underneath, as well as the exterior has been freshly repainted.
Looks great from the outside. Now, as far as specs go,
it is just over 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms with a den, 2 bathrooms, as well as has an Arizona room.
Great. Let's go take a peek on the inside. Last but not least, we are here in the backyard of this Mesa home. Kevin, take it away.
This is a huge yard. It's got plenty of mature green landscaping, as well as room for a pool.
Perfect. And then what exactly is behind us?
Fruit trees, lots and lots of fruit trees that you're gonna have to share with your new neighbors.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If they would like to set up a showing, Kevin, what is the best way to go about doing that?
480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you again. If you have any questions or need help buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.